welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's recipe we're gonna talk about what I use for my hair to get that long and full hair. If you are the type that don't have hair at all, I'm gonna show you what to do so that you gain that hair back. If your hair breaking, when you comb it to break, just do this. So we have fenugreek. After fenugreek, you see your rosemary. After rosemary, the next ingredient is your hibiscus flowers. So you can say very beautiful. And the next one you have is your cloves. So stay tuned to this recipe. Let's see how it goes. That hair will come back to normal, I promise you.
I'm so tired of wanting more than this. I know it, but what am I to do? I need some space to breathe, so give me some room. So give me some room. I need room. Smile.